But you can't do it the way she a dancing way.
They're mainly our churches and local markets. That's true, because I've met
One medium pizza, 7,300. The pizza look good, man.
Big mother turtle.
these are some koi, Japanese koi. We do not eat. Now to the Japanese, they represent long life, good fortune, and prosperity, so no eating. Now these lines are placed there just to keep the predators away. That's true, because I've met.
Hi. How you doing? Wagwan. Oh.
So if you want to feed them, you can purchase your feeding for $1 American dollar or Jamaican $100, and they pay you any price to feed them.
Everybody was a dancing, dancing, gotta say, he go to Bogolo. Everybody know ding dong, run this country.
Guys, check out the mountain view. We don't get to yesterday, but today kind of, cloudy, rainy. Jesus, today. Absolutely beautiful. Eating now some callaloo fried dumpling kidney today, and of course the great cornmeal porridge. Yeah, you know that good for your back. Chicken leg on them said it's an omelette. I have salt mackerel right there, so dumpling and chocolate tip on the side, then bed. View. For the first time. And this is it. Here you go. Nice. You like it?
Finally good with like white rice.
Yes.
Like white
Yes.
rice.
You know about man. Nice.
Tastes like pig feet too.
No, yeah. I same thing. So it could be pig, I don't know.
Only in Jamaica to go refer to this. I don't think.
Let me see it. Wow. Alright, time to meet it.
I need to copy and put it back in that bag in the Shanika.
But then again, my man, I think Mr. My stepfather and the newsman I talked to the brother. Because that's the long time that the man.
And I'm sorry to trouble you, but on and off.
I mean, I don't know when food overpriced. Like, alright, for example, this is me looking at the overpriced menu. 2-piece chicken with fries, no juice. This is coming in juice.
Banana
2,500,
fritters,
2-piece chicken.
fish soup. Wow. Wow.
But when it comes to food, it's like I can't watch price. Watch taste and looks. And me alone say some one.